We've had a number of students, I think there's 27 today. So they're all 8th graders and they come for junior achievement. So they're here to learn a little bit about all the careers that might be on offer through our 3 different schools, the graduate school, the medical school and the School of Allied Health Professions. Today I gave them a quick intro to all the different things that we have available here on campus in terms of programs and possible career choices that they might or might not have already thought of. And then they're now gone on some tours. So they're touring in the graduate school, live lab, and also some 3D printing facilities that we have. In the Allied Health Professions, they're going to do some interactive workshops with the Allied Health School. And in the medical school, they're going to see the anatomy table. We have a couple of medical students who are going to show them the inner workings of the human body. So basically anatomy on a screen, or kind of a 3D screen. Well, we really want to start reaching out to our community and helping them understand what is available on our campus for them as they grow into the adults that they're going to become and start thinking about the careers that they want. A lot of people may not realize, especially at their age, what types of programs we have, the 3 different schools. I mean, most of them are aware that we have a medical school, but not all of them are aware that we have a School of Allied Health Professions, and very few of them seem to know about the graduate school or what a graduate school is. We're hoping that this is a kickoff to doing quite a few of these types of activities to really do some outreach into our community to help them understand what's available here and now